rise. Everyday Life Court is now in session. All rise. Everyday Life Court is now in session. The Honorable Dr. Brian D. Woodard presiding. Brown versus Jones case.
Thank you so much, Elaine. I appreciate it. All right, you may be seated. I'm Dr. Brian D. Woodard. I am the presiding judge of the Everyday Life Court. And today is an unusual but usual case because I see an item here that costs quite a pretty penny. So I'm looking at a cake from a bakery from Nola's Best Bakery. Who's the owner of this company right now?
I am.
Okay, so you are the owner of this company and you are Miss Shay Jones.
Correct.
Okay, and you are the plaintiff, Miss Lisa Brown. And so basically you're suing Miss Jones because of a cake order or whatnot. I'm guessing, so I see on here the cake was $200 and then you're asking for the total amount of the cake plus court costs. So I'm looking at a total here of $428.83. Seems to be a pretty penny of a cake right now. So tell me what happened, what's going on?
So basically, Your Honor, I ordered a custom cake from Shay, and I picked up the cake, and I've ordered from her before. And
so y'all do know each other, because I just picked that up just then.
Yes, so
Do.
I've ordered from her before, and I got the cake. I didn't check it. I picked it up and took it to my son's school dance.
What was it for?
He's in the 8th grade, and they were having a winter formal, and I'm a part of the PTA, and I was designated with bringing the cake. And I get to the school, I open up the cake, and it's a big ding-a-ling. It's not even the cake that I ordered, and it was
the cake.
Wait, hold on 1 second, man, because we don't know. Let me just ring the bell here. Ding, ling, 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 y'all. Hold on.
That's what it was.
Okay,
yeah.
Hold on a second. So basically, I get what you're saying. So we're just using slang terminology.
Your Honor.
So I know what you're talking about. So
that's the only way I know how to do it is big.
And she had all of the stuff. It was real exotic. It was really erotic. It had, the stuff coming out the end of it and everything. It was just
the best.
So basically, this is an exotic cake that you picked up from Nola's Best Bakery from Miss Jones here. And is that what you ordered, or is
it is not what I ordered.
So
it was what you ordered.
The orders got mixed up.
Apparently so.
Okay. And so what harm did this do to you? What did the school say about it? What did the kids say? What's going on with that?
So, when I opened up the cake, all of the kids were looking. They were trying to put it on TikTok. They were laughing. I had to, of course, take the cake, scrambling at the last minute to try to find some kind of desserts. It was so embarrassing. I've been put off the PTA. I'm not allowed to bring any other items to the school.
So the school blamed you for that mishap?
I'm sorry?
The school blamed you for it?
Yes, they did.
So did you try to take the cake back to let her know before?
I did. I immediately called her and tried to contact her, and she told me since I paid the invoice that she wasn't responsible, and I just had to deal with it.
Well, before I go to Miss Jones, you didn't check the cake before you left. What kind of cake did you originally have?
I asked for a chocolate cake. I asked for a chocolate ooey gooey cake, but not the kind of ooey gooey she gave me.
Oh,
That's not what I asked for.
Oh my. All right, well, thank you so much. I'm gonna go ahead and move along to Miss Jones here because Miss Jones, you are the one who owns the bakery.
Yes.
And you make cakes and
Yes.
cupcakes and all that kind of stuff.
All the sweets and goodies, baby.
Okay, well, I can tell now because evidently she's got a little bit too much sweet going on.
No,
okay?
it's just enough.
Okay, so tell me what happened.
Well, first of all, like she said, Miss Lisa, we've been, friendly. She's ordered from me before. Now, anybody that knows me, I'm well known because of my exotic cakes. Now, I do regular cakes, ooey gooey occasionally, but an ooey cake is an exotic cake.
That's a new name. I've never heard of ooey gooey before.
When you want ooey, I give it to you, baby. Ooey gooey, all of the above. So
you talking about the cake, right? Because you're making eye contact.
Well, take it how you want to judge. I'm sorry. But anywho, back to the at hand. when you order a ooey cake, that's what it is, an exotic cake. Now I
Right.
just asked you which side you want. You want the female side, the male side, or you want a combination? Which one you want? So
Okay.
she said she wanted a chocolate one. So to my knowledge, chocolate means you go get a big one. Yes.
So
Yes.
basically, you think that she misunderstood of what you meant by
Yeah, because
ooey
we
gooey.
went to
Misunderstood.
wait, hold on. I let you
Uh,
talk when you was talking. So
Hold on, I
let me
need, I
talk
need
when
you
I
to
was
focus on
saying.
here. Just
Okay,
you
I'm
don't correct
sorry.
anything. Just correct me
Oh,
if I'm wrong. Okay.
I,
All
I
right.
like wrong sometimes,
Okay.
you know.
Man, let's stick to the
But
subject, please.
anyway,
Because evidently what you sent was wrong.
that
and a lot of people say
well,
so.
that's
I'm-
what she ordered.
Hold on, listen. I'm giving you an opportunity to go
Okay.
ahead and tell your side because
Okay.
I didn't buy a cake from you.
Right.
You know, and I wouldn't want to take a ooey gooey cake to my parents on the anniversary or anything like that, or take it to the church banquet or anything like that, or anything. So just tell me how this all came about. And matter of fact, did she try to bring the cake back to you?
She may have, but that's my busy season. So I mean, she may have talked to my assistant or something like
No,
that.
Hold on, Miss
talked to
Lisa.
her.
Hold on. Right before you, Miss Lisa, did you wrote on here that you tried to take the cake back?
I did. As I stated, I called her. She didn't answer. I texted her. I sent a picture.
Did the kids already try to start eating some of the cake?
Yeah, and as I turned my back and I turned around to come back and get everything, one of the kids had taken the tip off of it and had took the head off of it. And
Okay.
so
All right. Let me get my head straight right now, because this case right here is a little too much. So, Miss Jones,
Mhm.
did she try to come get compensation for that cake back? Did she try to go about it the right way? Because evidently, what it seems to me is it was a mistake, and she probably misunderstood what you meant by ooey gooey. So, and to have something like that happen at a school, that's a different story, because she's lost a lot. You still in business, I presume.
Of course.
Okay, and she had to suffer consequences because of what she brought in.
My
She's not a
reputation,
baker. I don't
yeah.
think that she would understand what ooey gooey is unless you had like a complete menu of everything and what it actually is when you get it.
and she did.
So, okay, hold on 1 second. We trying to. So tell me what's the outcome of this? What do you feel that you need to be in here in the court this morning? Do you see why that she brought
No,
you in?
I don't feel I need to be here, but obviously I'm here. But it is what it is. But as far as the approach of the whole thing, now she may have, like I said, she may have tried to reach out to rectify the situation. But at the moment, at that time when she was trying to reach out, like I said, it's a busy season for me. So when I do have administrative days to where I'm, go
Right.
down and go back to it. But I guess I was taking too long to get back to her. So in taking too long getting back to her, she brought me here. Like, I'm big on customer service, far as getting back to my customers, rectifying the situation, because at the end of the day, it is what it is. I understand about being a consumer, but this right here, no,
Okay.
it wasn't necessary.
I think I've already kind of gotten my mind the decision that I'm going to make on this, because, and matter of fact, let me just go ahead and say it now. And I can tell that you two were friends, were friends. And so you all apparently let a ooey gooey get in between
She
your
did,
friendship.
not me.
Okay, well, it doesn't matter who, y'all still need to work out some differences. So I truly believe that, she had good intentions in ordering a cake, for your son for his dance or his event at his school. And you didn't know exactly what it was. And I know that you have menus
Mhm.
at your establishments to tell people what they really are. She probably misunderstood. And I kind of see faults on both ends. But I can understand even more of her actually taking it to a public school where kids have put it on TikTok. Because I can understand, if you were a parent, you got to understand what they might be going through. So it's a lot of upset people other than just you all. So what I'm going to do with this case is that the cake was $200, and the total plus court cost was $428. So instead of awarding that judgment, because you are going to have to get along and do something about it, because I see faults on both ends, I'm not going to award court costs, but I am going to award just the regular $200. Okay? So next time, Miss Lisa, you need to go ahead and check to see what it is, because who knows, next time you could be ordering something that might be ...
I'm going to Kroger or
Okay.
Sam's or Walmart.
Well, I'm sure they
She
don't
won't
have
get
no
more
ooey
of my
gooey in
money.
Kroger's.
I
And yeah, if
feel-
they do,
Well,
I'm
baby,
pretty
it's
sure
not
you
like
won't
I'm gonna
want it.
miss it anyway. So
Clearly, it's fine.
It's fine.
Just
It
make sure
is.
All right,
you
ladies,
my
ladies,
money.
Yes.
ladies. You all have a good afternoon. My case is, I already have a decision on this case, and that's what the order. You go ahead and pay her that $200. You don't have to worry about getting that extra court cost, and we're gonna leave it at that. And I hope everything gets worked out with you in your school. Make sure
it's
everybody
cash
have
like what
menus
you
and
got.
everything next time, okay?
I
This
do
case is
always.
dismissed. Y'all have a good afternoon.
See you.
Rise.
And I can see you later, Judge.
Whatever.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow Dr. Woodard on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.